Out of it. Right lane. Your heater core gone out. You need to get your heater core. Heater core gone out. Somebody done blocked off the
Yes,
hey, man,
hey,
tell me something good,
come
man.
on out here to HRP Fabrications, Big 8 Raw Rumble, the Big 8 Roundup, number 3.
Yeah.
Texas. Look out. We appreciate you, man.
Already,
We
man.
appreciate you. Come on out tomorrow, tonight, and tomorrow.
It's going down.
XRP is going down. Casey Grudge, you already know how.
What's gonna happen right now?
Off the damn trailer bikes for the runs.
Okay, these off the trailer.
Big cash. I mean, they ain't made no shakes all day. They coming right off the trailer, right down.
Damn, so they had to wait all day?
All day.
Damn.
All day. That means that they got this shit right.
Hey, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
They got it right.
That's what I like to see, man. I want to see them get it right. Yeah, what? Got the track sticky, you can barely walk on this. Right lane for the win, y'all. Left side popping and banging. What are you feeling for? Y'all think this a waste of time or he knows something? I don't know.
This is for the win, goddamn. That's that motherfucker that Nitrous time.
Yeah, you know he running. You know he running. Hey, other side. Left lane for the win. Oh, my bad. The nitrous, y'all. Look out there, shot. Oh, they got that Al Green playing now, y'all. Now that was a good race. Man, right lane won, man. I did not think he was gonna. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.